Once Mark Zuckerberg said, "The biggest risk is not taking any risk." In a world that's changing quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Today we will discuss about how to quit your 9-to-5 job. Before we even begin talking about tips, let's address the most crucial factor, your mindset. Getting rich starts with believing in yourself and your potential. Develop a growth mindset that embraces challenges, learns from failures, and stays persistent no matter the obstacles. Remember, some of the wealthiest people today started with nothing but a dream and the right mindset.
What do you say if a guy was working a 9 to 5, married to a woman, had a couple of kids, going his 2 or 3 holidays a year, and he said to you he was happy?
I'd say congratulations. I would genuinely say congratulations. If you're happy with that, and I know that's like a pretty normal setup. If you're happy with that, absolutely congratulations, and I don't look down on you. That's perfectly fine. But some men are just not born that way. Some men are born with something else inside of them, with a fire inside of them, which cannot be extinguished by beans on toast, TV at night, 9 to 5, sitting around with your wife. Some men are not satisfied with that. I know me as an individual, I could not be satisfied with that. That doesn't mean I look down on the people who are. Absolutely congratulations. But my time on the planet, I guarantee, will be more eventful.
Setting the stage. Before we jump into the steps to quit your job, let's establish why you're considering this change. Is your 9-to-5 job no longer fulfilling, or do you have a burning passion you want to pursue? Assess your financial situation. 1. Create a budget. First, create a detailed budget to understand your monthly expenses. 2. Build an emergency fund. Having savings to cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses is crucial. 3. Debt management. Address any high-interest debts and create a plan to manage them.
I will die with more stories. I would have made a bigger ripple in space-time because I refuse to comply with just the average, this is okay, you'll be happy with this, take it. I think a man should have absolutely no interest in whether he's actually happy or not. If I wake up and I'm unhappy, I will do the exact same things as if I am happy. I will go to the gym the same. I will work the same. How I feel has no impact on how I live my life. I don't think happiness as an index is a healthy view for a man to have on life.
Strategic investing. Now, let's talk about strategic investing. While you might not have a lot of money to start, you can still make smart investment decisions. It involves a personalized approach, as each investor's financial situation and objectives are unique. It's important to note that while strategic investing aims to achieve long-term goals, no investment strategy is completely immune to risk, and the value of investments can go up and down. Research low-cost index funds, stocks, or even real estate opportunities that align with your financial goals. Remember, it's not about the amount you invest initially, but the habit of investing consistently over
You're dying,
time.
right? As soon as you stay in one place, you're slowly on the way down. Bro, if there was a golden tap, that unlimited money, and you had buckets, and you took one bucket of money, would you just take that bucket, or would you run back and get another bucket and run back and run? I couldn't stop. I couldn't sleep. I remember.
Exploring alternatives. 1. Side hustles. Consider starting a side hustle or freelancing to supplement your income. 2. Passive income streams. Invest time in building passive income streams that can support you. 3. Alternative jobs. Search for part-time or remote jobs that give you flexibility.
I couldn't sleep. I remember walking to sixth form college. I was 16 or 17 with my 4 friends, and a Ferrari burnt past us. I said to my boys, I was like, man, how'd that guy get that car? And they're like, don't know. I was like, doesn't that annoy you? I'm like, why would it annoy me? Because we're going to school. Our parents are on council estates. Like, we're trying to scrape 20 pounds a week to eat. This dude has 400 grand for a car. Doesn't that aggravate you? Doesn't that show you that there's something about the world you do not understand? That you're missing something? And they're all like, not really. And they're all the dudes who are right now at home, 9 to 5. I was never that guy. I was pissed off for weeks because I saw some dude in his Ferrari. Do you understand? I was like, no, I have to. So now when I push my Ferrari, I'm like, this is the full circle.
Preparing your exit plan. 1. Timeline and goals. Set a clear timeline for when you want to quit and define your goals. 2. Savings milestones. Establish savings milestones to ensure you have a safety net. 3. Business plan, if applicable. If you're starting a business, have a solid business plan in place. Reskilling and networking. They say your network is your net worth, and that's absolutely true. Connect with like-minded individuals, attend networking events, and leverage social media to make meaningful connections. Collaboration can open doors to opportunities you might have never imagined. Remember, your network can introduce you to your next big break.
Life success. For a man, if you're waking up and going, oh, am I happy, am I not? You're looking at life wrong. I think of a man, if you put happiness if you move it down the scale, right? And you start looking at, am I successful? Am I competent? You know, am I achieving things? Am I respected? If you start to look at these indicators of your life, you're going to end up being happier without actually analyzing if you're happy or not. So for me, I understood very, very well that $500,000 a month is good, but $1 million a month is better. And I also very, very much understood that as soon as you stop pushing forward, as soon as you go stagnant, you're dying.
Overcoming fears. 1. Fear of failure. Acknowledge that failures are part of the journey and can lead to growth. 2. Financial insecurity. Having a financial safety net reduces the fear of running out of money. 3. Social pressure. It's okay to follow your dreams, even if it's unconventional. The final step. Host. Now, you've got your financial plan, skills, and network in place. Encouragement. Quitting your 9-to-5 job is a big step, and it's not always easy, but it's a journey worth taking if you're passionate about something. Don't be afraid to follow your heart and take that leap. Conclusion. That's a wrap on how to quit your 9-to-5 job. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Dollar Sense for more content on personal development, career advice, and pursuing your dreams. Thank you for watching.